Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an innovative wireless outdoor security camera. This is from Litmor and it's available on Amazon. This security camera has a spotlight, motion detection, and color night vision. It's wireless, so it's a lot easier to install. Its only restriction is that you would need to be able to access your Wi-Fi from wherever you place the camera. It uses a micro SD card. It works with the Litmor app. The user manual doesn't have information about the app, but if you go to the App Store, it's very easy to find and install, and everything is also found in the Amazon description as well. It's also waterproof to IP66, so it can be used outdoors, although you can also use it inside. It offers two-way audio and 125-degree wide-angle view, so you're able to see whatever you need to. Alright, so this is the box. I did already open it and charge the camera, so I would be ready to install it for you guys. But this is the camera. It's circular. It comes right out of its holder, so you're able to easily adjust it. Also, how you charge it, a little tricky at first, but I figured it out. On the bottom, there's a lock and an unlock symbol. Make sure you have twisted your the half of this to the unlock position and then pull off. So when you pull it off, you have your two rechargeable batteries, and then right inside is your micro USB port so that you can charge the device as well. It does come with a cable, so you don't have to worry about that. It's white just like the camera. Also in the box you're going to be able to find some screws and reinforcements depending on where you plan on installing this. That might come in handy. And here is the instruction manual to help get you started. Now, like I said, this did not necessarily help when it came to putting anything on the app. I do recommend looking at the Amazon listing for all of that information. So we're going to put this back together, make sure it's all tight, and put it in here. Alright, so just a little bit more information. This does feature it's 100% wireless, as you can see. All you have to worry about is charging it. It has a 125-degree field of view, 1080p HD video quality, 90 lumen spotlight, two-way talk, customized motion zone, color night vision, and weatherproof. Now this does also work with Alexa and Google Assistant. I don't prefer to use cameras with Alexa, so we're going to leave that out, but that information will be found in the Amazon listing. So if you are interested in that feature, that is there for you. But we have it on the app, and I will show you that as well. Going off some more information is that this is waterproof to IP66, so it can be used outdoors, and you can also use it inside. I am just using it outside today because there's a particular area of the yard that I would just like to have a clear view of, especially when I'm not around. The batteries inside of this work on a single charge for 2 to 6 months when the camera is triggered 8 times a day. That's a lot of charge and a lot of battery life. I'm not used to something lasting that long, but that's very convenient, so I don't have to consistently go outside and take the time to charge it. So I'm going to open up the app. The app is found on the App Store, Google Play for me. It's called Litmor, just like the device is. Opening it up. I already have everything on there, so, but on the app, you are able to go to your settings, and mine are loading. So opening up the settings, the little gear up on the right-hand corner, you let it load, and you are able to turn your device on, which I'm turning mine on. You can name it. Mine's just the standard Litmor ball. You can see what it looks like live and put it in power saving mode. you could turn the lights on. You have spotlights and indicator lights. The indicator light on here, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but it is green. It's when it's streaming live view. And a spotlight is to provide enhanced night vision for the live view. You can schedule things just in case you do have a particular time you know when you want to view things or record things. You can change your notifications as well, just in case you don't want something constantly. You can share stuff. You can change the monitoring area, change how far out you want things to be seen. You can also adjust your motion detection sensitivity, like right now mine's at medium, just in case, maybe you're at work, you don't want to constantly get notifications for that all the time. There is a Siren. You can adjust that to your needs. And you can, this does have two-way audio. You can adjust the volume for when you are speaking through the camera. Also, you're able to see your firmware, your battery percentage, your storage. You can also adjust your Wi-Fi if needed as well. So there's a lot of stuff you can do on here. The app is very handy and useful. But right now I'm going to go put this in the part of the yard that I want to go view things, and we'll get right back. Okay, so I'm putting this up here. I did use the screws that came with the pack itself, so I didn't have to go get my own. They fit right in. But here I will place the camera in. This is a great spot for me to be able to see who's coming into the driveway and see what type of predators have been trying to attack the pond lately. It's nice, it's convenient, and it's obviously not noticeable, so the placement's great. Now, I will show you what this looks like on the app in a second. Alright, so this is the live view right now of our placement of our camera. As you can see, this does get a nice view of the pond for the most part, and then we also have a view of the driveway, so if somebody comes in, maybe they're delivering a package, we can definitely see that as well. It's also about to storm, so that's great. So we trimmed the bush to the left. It was really obstructing the view of our night vision camera lens. So here we've adjusted it a little bit, trimmed stuff back, and now there's a better view already in the daytime. Alright, so let's take a look at the footage captured last night. As you can see, the spotlight has caught a person in the yard. It's a very nice feature. Alright, so this is a look at what's going on right now. This is a very clean, crisp, colorful live view of the garden. We trimmed back our tree, so now you do have a lot more visibility. But yes, so this is a look at the Litmor wireless camera. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.